Hey guys, so I'm gonna do a unboxing of this ring from Amazon. Has Alexa on it. Got this as a gift to install on my front door as a doorbell. Gonna go through what's inside the box, and what it comes with is a HD 1080 HD video and two-way talk, motion detection. It has lifetime purchase protection. Has a quick release battery pack, Wi-Fi connected. You can connect it to your phone also, and it includes two face plates if you want to put the white one or the black one. This is the Ring Video Doorbell 2 wire-free video doorbell. It's very convenient, connects to your Alexa, and once someone is there, you get a alert on your phone. You can configurable motion detection, infrared, night vision, and like I said, the lifetime purchase protection, easy installation, instantaneous two-way talk. It's for, as you can see here, you can download different for your smartphone, tablet, Android, Apple, Windows. Weather resistant design, connects to your existing chime also if you have one. I don't have one, so I'm just gonna put this outside. So let's get into the box and see what's inside here. Okay, so let's see what's inside the box. When you open the box, it comes with this is the camera right here, the doorbell. With a camera on it. Instruction, this is these are paintable to match your home. The brackets, some screws and stuff here. It comes with two brackets. Instruction, some tools in here with a charger. This is a charger to charge the battery, I think. This is another faceplate for the front here. This is the battery right here. Some screws also, and then this is like a template for the back, extra template. That's it, nothing else in the box. This is the camera, the ring button right there, and you connect the battery. In the back here. Okay, so this is the plate. It comes snaps in here. You can take this off, put on a new one to set up. I cannot show you the codes here. That's for me to set up. Has some codes here that you have to scan, and the battery goes in the bottom here. So that's it. I'm gonna set it up and show you guys. This is just a unboxing video and to show you what it comes with. I'm gonna set it up to this Echo Show 5. This is the battery here, and you charge it. If you like the video, click like, give it a thumbs up, and share the video. If you want to see more videos, subscribe to see more videos. Share the videos and leave a comment down below, and thanks for watching.